Hello, this is a video about the finance returns for 2019. This one gives further information about some of these additional tabs that may apply in some circumstances. I'm rather assuming that you've all had a look at the overview and maybe done this info tab just to work out which other ones you're going to need to do. Okay, should we have a look at those? So the first one we're going to look at is grants, this blue tab. When you get it, it hopefully will be pre-populated with any grants that you had outstanding at the previous year. I've just put in the balance brought forward and the name of the grant, but nothing else. So you'll need to put in the other information about which specific group it's for, the purpose, and making sure you've got any supporting paperwork and documentation. That's really important. The auditors the Woodcroft Folk auditors may ask for it, and the funding body may need to ask for it. And obviously, if it's a restricted grant, fill out the figures. If you've received any more in the year, or you've received a new grant in the year, put it down, or you'll need to put down all of it, anything you spent, and what amount remains outstanding at the year end. The figure of all the outstanding bits of grant that you've got at the year end and the income and expenditure will need to agree on these figures in the district return about the restricted purpose figures. So the restricted purpose income, expenditure, and the restricted balance that you've got left over at the year end. So that'll all need to agree. Okay. The next tab we're going to need to look at is the reconciliation tab. This is here, and you use it if you've got financial transactions that you've recorded in your accounts, so appear in the account side of the transactions, but not actually on the bank account, on the bank statement of the 31st of December, maybe because they're uncleared at the year end. If that's the case, you just need to adjust it here to make sure that you've got the same transactions reflected in your bank figure and your financial records. So you'll need to adjust your bank figure here and use any adjusted bank figure here in the finance return down here. Okay, so making adjustments there for any transactions that aren't cleared at the year end. The consolidation tab on bank accounts is something you'll need to complete if you've got more than one bank account. So here, I've just put this in, but when you'll get it, these will all be blank. You need to put in your starting balance at the year end, your finishing balance, and the account details. That's so that Woodcroft folk know about all the accounts that are held in the organisation's name. And this should also help you, if you put in your figures here, to give you a total again, that you would need to complete the totals for your bank accounts and here in your bank balance at the year end. So that's that one. The last one we're going to look at is consolidation of accounting records. This is entirely up to you to use if you find it helpful. You don't need to, but it's for groups, districts where you've got several sets of accounts or recorded differently. I know some districts have got their own spreadsheet where they do this. Fine, you don't need to use it. It's just if you want to, and if you do, complete the records, and then you just need to cut and paste the totals from here into the district return. When you're going to do cut and paste, use the paste special figures only, so that you don't just transfer across the formula. Okay, so those are the optional things that you need to complete depending on your circumstances. Otherwise, then just complete the returns normal. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. There's further information here. I think that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.